What's up, guys? By the time you're seeing this video, it will be the last day. I'm gonna do everything I can to have this video ready to go by Friday. When you are watching this video, you are in the last day of the pre-order for the original MattyXBuilds t-shirt. Ignore this doesn't exist yet. It doesn't exist yet. But it does have this logo on it, a little bit different. This is one of the Shopify, Printify, whatever online screw-ups. Anyways, yeah, so if you want to have one of the first t-shirts I've ever made and be one of the true OGs of the channel and of the MattyXBuilds adventure, career, whatever we make it is, hopefully one day we go big, but who knows. If you want to be one of my original merch buyers, today's your last day. By the end of the day, I'm closing the pre-order. We're getting everything over to the printer. We're gonna get the blanks ordered, make sure we got everything we need. We'll start printing on them. Hopefully he'll have them to me by the end of next week. And then hopefully I'll be able to start shipping and packaging the orders over the weekend. And then we'll get some stuff out to you guys. So yeah, get on that. You know, be cool if you bought some stuff. Support us so we can buy real carpet, not spray paint it. So anyways, guys, what we're doing today, let's get right into the meat and potatoes. I know I had all this cleaned up earlier, but our good friend John, Mr. Built by Belt, brought us over his old truck intake. If you remember on ours, we not only broke the main vacuum like tit, I don't know what you'd call that. We broke that, and then our map sensor deal does not have the little catch tabs that are supposed to like clip on and hold the map sensor. And for reference, this is what's missing on ours, and these are the little tabs I'm talking about on the map sensor. The only thing wrong with this intake manifold is that it has a little bullet hole bite something. I think John got hungry when he was in the shop and took him a little bite out of it or something. But anyways, we're gonna clean this one up. I think I'm gonna get the Dremel out and at least kind of shave some of these tabs down. Well, not these because we need the cable ones, but I don't know. Maybe we do plan on using a cover. Nah, that's too much. We ain't doing that. What we will do is clean it up, make it pretty. We're gonna epoxy this little hole back here, and actually have you guys head over to John's channel, link right here if I can do that, or in the bio if I can't. Let's see if I can figure it out. Anyways, you guys go over there, subscribe to his channel, watch his videos. He's got a beautiful AMX that is LS swapped, and we actually have a lot coming for him. We're going to be doing a lot of collaborating with him, helping him out because he's been helping us out a ton. So but anyways, one little teaser I will give you is that while he was over bringing that over, we realized that we had a little bit of a vacuum issue. We had this plugged, and we had this PCV vent venting all the way over to where was it, right here, and then we had this capped, which we realized we overlooked it the last time. But anyways, this one from the PCV is supposed to go right here on the little nipple that I don't have, which I will. And then from your throttle body, you go to the passenger side valve cover. We corrected that. And guess what? If we didn't put tape on this and shove it in there to where it wouldn't leak, which is not advised, do not do that at home, but it does work. For testing, for scientific purposes, it works. We did that, and actually, believe it or not, we fired it right up, and it sat and idled on its own. Didn't surge, didn't go, wow, wow, and try to die, nothing. Idled smooth like it's supposed to. Sat there and chopped. It does need a little tweaking between our dirty plugs, probably remnants of poopy gas, and probably dirty O2 sensors at this point. It does need some little tune up already, and when Bells gets a hold of it and we bring it to him and he does his little final touch-up tune, that'll clean it up and we'll be chopping hard. But anyways, we got to hear it idle. Total sigh of relief. We just had some vacuum stuff hooked up wrong, and then also that helped it a bunch, but I forgot to mention we actually unplugged the MAF sensor, MAF, the one that goes on the air filter. Unplugged that and it completely quit surging. Plugged it back in while it was running and it immediately started surging. So that is an indication to me that our MAF sensor is bad and needs replaced. You can clean them. I do remember when we were trying to start it that we literally blew fireballs through the intake through that MAF sensor, so it's probably shot. I'm not even going to try to clean it for what we've got in the build already. I'm just going to suck it up and just buy a new one. So that'll get our motor running fine, but today we're not dealing with that. Today I'm going to try to make this video nice and quick. I'll probably cut through a bunch of what I just said, but we're going to get this seat bracket cleaned up. I'm going to get these shavings off of here, do a little touch-up paint on the holes, and then we're going to bring it over here in the truck. We're going to find our holes in the make holes in the carpet because they don't line up from an extended cabs carpet to a single cabs. But we're going to make those holes in the carpet, bolt our bracket down, and then set our console in there and set our seats in there and bolt them up and see what it's looking like. All right, here we go. All right, got the bracket bolted in, which was an adventure, I will say. That was not very easy, mainly because I think from us welding it up and all that, it kind of tweaked, and then we never had carpet or padding in the way, and now that we do, it made it just that much harder to get it like just right. And you can see I tightened it down to the extent that it kind of warped the strap a little bit, so we'll roll with this for now. I do think we'll make some changes to the bracket. We'll probably put like some bracing or something in here, that way that can't, I mean, I don't know, it's pretty solid, but I want it to be like stupid safe, so I don't know. We'll figure out something in the future. It's not like this is a race truck or anything, so it's pretty safe. It could probably be a little bit better, but we'll figure that out later. But now that I got that bolted in, I'm gonna grab the seats. Well, actually, I'm gonna do the console first because we got to do the console first. So I'm gonna get the console slapped in there, and then we'll get the seats in and get our look at what it looks like with carpet this time. We haven't seen it with we haven't seen the interior in here with carpet yet, so let's see what that looks like. What do you think, babe?
It's nice.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
How does the fit feel? I know not everything's there, but
Feels good.
feels pretty good. Looks about right. Looks good from this side. Uh-oh. Easy. Alright, so it's a little crude. I didn't snap all this in just because, you know, we'll get there. But I'm going to have Babe fired up. She's been at work all day. Being a paraprofessional, which if y'all don't know what that means, is a teacher's aide. And these wonderful COVID times, which is...
special education.
For special education, which tell us how fun that is right now. It's not a good time, guys. It's a rough time for teachers right now, and let alone paraprofessionals, teachers' aides. It's a very difficult time for them. Anyways, I'm going to give you the satisfaction, since you haven't been here all day and you haven't got to hear it run and fire up. I'm going to let you start it up and show everybody how we start this car. So let's put this fob. It has to be close to this. You can just drop it down in there. Okay, we hear the beeping. We know we're good. what I'm going to do is this is going to be our push start button. So go ahead and push that once.
I need to be on the...
Nope, don't press the brake yet. Just push that once. Okay, we're in accessory mode now. So push it one more time. And we're going to hear everything prime. Okay. And we're going to unlock the tablet. We're gonna imagine, guys, y'all imagine with us here that I'm gonna modify this pocket for this tablet to sit up here like this. That's how this is gonna be. So babe, what you're gonna do is put your foot on the brake and press that button one more time. What do you think about that? Ah, it's not connected. There we go. What do you think?
It's really nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Sound good? You ready to go on a cruise yet?
Oh yeah. Oh
Cool, huh?
yeah.
Sounds so good, guys. I can't wait to go cruising. All right.
Wow.
Yeah, it is. We got to get some exhaust. All right. So put your foot back on the brake and press the button.
That works great.
And that's it. That's all there is to that. The one weird thing about this little chinky module, which I think I talked about it before, but you can't turn it off by just pushing the button. You have to have your foot on the brake to turn it off, which I feel like that's a little weird, but it is what it is. I'm figuring this layout out. I kind of got it down. I realized that you can scroll here, and I made this one, but I started figuring out how I can place this. I was throwing a fit earlier because I was like, this stupid Amazon tablet. I bought an Amazon tablet instead of just a regular Android one, and you can't get Google Play Store on an Amazon tablet. So I was like, mother effer, I can't freaking get the OBD2 apps that I want. And I got this one and it was stuck like this and I couldn't figure out how to change it. But then I actually started like seeing the dots and I was like, oh, you can hold it and edit it and all this. So this actually will work out. Yeah, we're gonna read a book while we're driving. What the hell? Anyways, we got that figured out. So guys, just a little teaser for y'all. Imagine this tablet. We've got a little bit of notching to do up in here to get this to, basically we're gonna make a slot for this to slide up in there. And in the end, you can see we've got plenty of room for activities. So we'll get this tablet to sit up in there nice and smooth. And then at this point, I'm still deciding if I want to do just a regular doubled in kit for this dash like it's supposed to be, or if thanks to Taco going to Colorado Truck Madness, he saw in person the Android display that I've been seeing. So there's an Android display that you snap in here instead of this bezel, and it's like, it's bigger than this screen, and it basically sits like this in the bezel. So I don't know if we're gonna go with that or if we're gonna go with a doubled in, because I have it up in the air because I feel like having this tablet is basically going to be just for monitors and gauges over here, and I feel like it'd be kind of weird to have this huge tablet and then another huge Android tablet here. I don't know, I feel like that might be kind of weird. So still figuring out what we're going to do with that, but other than that, guys, oh, that's very broke. That, as you can see, that does not effing work at all. Anyways, I wasn't aware that that one didn't work. I thought it did. More shit to fix. How about that, guys? But anyways, Seats are bolted in. Like I said, I got to revisit the passenger side just a little bit. I am going to take this out one more time. I know I said I wasn't, but I am. We're going to go ahead and cut this like right here and grind it smooth, make it nice and presentable. We'll grind these corners down, and then we'll do all that while we're welding that tab. Other than that, the driver's side seems really good. It bolted up A1. The tack welds on the studs worked perfect. Nothing was weird about it. It all worked out. I'm gonna trim this side too. You can tell it's got a little extra hanging out. Other than that, that's it for this one, guys. I was gonna snap all the stuff in just so y'all could get a full look at it, but man, I'm gonna tell y'all, it is a long, time-consuming process to snap every one of those AC vents and the console and the glove box and all that. Snap all that in for us to have to take it back apart. So sorry about that. Sorry for the letdown, but that's gonna be it. How did it sound? How did it sound?
Very loud, but very good.
Very good.
The camera's real nice.
Yes, it is very nice. This is our first cammed vehicle. We've been around them and we've said, how many CTSVs and stuff like that? We've been like, ooh, that's real nice. So I might not show it as much, but guys, like, I'm so stoked, and I don't give a rat's ass if y'all talk shit on my cheap ass Riddler rims and me using $14 worth of carpet dye to paint the carpet instead of buying the $150 carpet kit. Guys, we're very humble folks. We're starting this channel up. I've wanted to be a content creator for so long, and this is our way of starting and keeping it in budget enough for us to give you guys consistent content enough to grow into a bigger channel. So we're gonna get there eventually. The orders are going really smooth. So you guys, be sure by the time you're seeing this video, it's Friday morning. So you have the rest of today to place your pre-order on the shirt. I know I've talked about that a couple times already in this video, but I'm going to be redundant for y'all. Place your order, get one of the first shirts we've ever made. And other than that, look forward in the next couple videos. We'll get everything buttoned up, get the column in. I know I said I was going to do that in this video, but we know how that goes. Anyways, guys, hopefully by mid to late September, we will be driving this truck. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for all the new guys. If you're new and you like what you're seeing, you got buddies that like this too, be sure to share it to them. Make sure they subscribe, like, leave a comment, dislike if you don't like it, whatever you want to do. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. We'll see you later.